family investment. I thought I'd do a quick update. It's been a while, and everyone's asking, where the heck is Alex go? Been busy, settled, bought a house, roof over their head, family's happy, everybody's got their own room. You're not squashed in a 2-bed flat no more, and now we're in a bigger place, a bigger environment. Daughter's got new friends, new schools, my son's the same. And it wasn't a flick overnight, it was a good 18-month journey. But before I share on what's happened, I just want to reflect on the journey that's going for me. So journey started YouTube in 2019. It was a great one. I enjoyed it. Confidence grew. I learned new skills, editing, marketing, trading, option trading. Things grew, network grew. I cannot complain. Looking back, it was a blessing. And then I hit rock bottom. Boom. When this video back in May 2022, crypto was in a boom. And then I went really hard, spent lots of money, and crashed and lost everything. Lost everything. Confidence just popped. YouTube channel just switched, closed, sold all my stocks, sold my house. My family left to London. I was alone in Scotland. And guess what? When you push off the cliff, you have to swim or sink. You have to make a choice. I had to learn how to swim. I had to push myself back up. Found a job 3 months later. You know, looking back, I was trying to find a job in London for years, yeah. I never did. And when you push off, I got a job. Not just a job, a great job. I got a great corporate job. Great people to work with. I cannot complain. I'm so blessed where I am. Coming to London with the family, stay in a very small flat. We had to find time because it's hard, expensive to buy in London. And guess what? We adapt, we adjust, we work together as a team. Daughter got into exams, one of the best schools in the country. I cannot complain. Congratulations to her. My son's in a new school and now he's going to Stanford system. My wife's got new friends. And great. But then I still couldn't get a house. Why? Because I lost huge portion of the money in that crypto. I had to do something. Kept my eyes on the ball, still had to keep my job, had to watch over my family. 2023, Christmas, this time last year, yeah? The market, remember? If you guys remember, market went boom all the way down. And I watched it, I had cash. I thought, this is an opportunity. Everything goes, the technicals, the fundamentals, this is a way to impossible. And guess what? I went in. Risk management, I went in slowly and then I have momentum. I rolled Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, the Google was low, Amazon was like 70, 80 bucks, Nvidia was 120, AMD was around about like 65. It's crazy. I went, I bought, I secured, I bought great companies with great cash flow. I knew that it was going to happen. Guess what? 8 months later, boom. The losses I made, I came back up. The point I did not recover everything, came to the point I could secure this, settle down in London way even better where we were. It's a blessing, yeah? It's a blessing. Looking back, the rebuilding, it was hard. I couldn't come on YouTube and do all these things. The confidence wasn't there. I had to rebuild. I had to focus. I never focused so hard. Work, stocks, managing the money, managing the family, getting things rearranged. You know, challenge after challenge. I came back, I bounced back. Not just me, everybody in my family. We bounced back. It was great. Lessons learned, you're not a quitter until you actually quit. When you fail, you make mistakes, fine. You fail, you make mistakes, you fine. You learn, you get better, you get stronger, but you never quit. The bell never pings until you tell it to ping. You step up, you fight back, you keep your fists up. You got punch, you punch back twice. You got 2 punch, you punch back harder. It's what life is about, the lessons learned. That's why people become successful. No one becomes successful just walking a straight road. So if you're going through those ruts, think about it. Never give up. Just think on how ways you can adjust to get you back on your feet. So this is where I am today. Looking around London, opportunities, the people, the network, so much money in this city. Opens up my eyes, so much ideas, the AI boom, the technology boom, the coding, the software, the network. I mean, I cannot ask for more. I'm really happy. So, you know, journey's not over. I rebounded. And that's what I just really want to share with you today. Alright guys, thank you, take care, and have a good day.